everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Chain. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what is going to happen on iTonga from the 10th to the 14th of November 2025 on Monday. The Dladla have no choice but to keep the shop closed, causing a financial strain in the family. Ayanda pushes Makhumalo to breaking point amidst the chaos happening in the home. Banele grows increasingly uncomfortable being around the Ntanzis and watching Pablo's reign over terror in silence on Tuesday. In a Zuluini family, wounds cut deep and loyalties are tested. As Makhumalo's grief headens into control, Ayanda rebels Banele draws a gun to defend old allies and Pinda threatens the street into a battlefield on Wednesday. Banele defies Zama and Pablo to fight for the Dladlas. Ayanda's rebellion takes a turn just when Makhumalo thinks she's winning in sharply molding her. On Thursday, Lungelo realizes that sometimes heroes get their head taken off while Pablo braces for her another clash with an unexpected challenger on Friday. An innocent exchange between Bali and Banele sparks jealousy. Ayanda and Lungelo's closeness leads to an unexpected moment between between them. Banele defies Pablo. Well, guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.